Hello students, welcome to my English class. Yesterday we had started chapter 3 from MCB, a poem Ode to a Butterfly written by Thomas Wentworth Higginson. Today we will be continuing the same. In my previous video I had explained the first 3 stanzas of the poem. So let's start with the 4th stanza today. Birds have their nests, they rear their eager young and fleet on errands all the livelong day. Each field mouse keeps the homestead whence it sprung, but thou art nature's free man, free to stray, unfettered through the wood, seeking thine airy food, the sweetness spiced on every blossomed spray. So errands here means a short journey to get something for someone. Whence means from where. Freeman, someone who is not slave. Unfettered means uncontrolled. Thine means your. So in this stanza, the poet talks about the freedom that butterflies enjoy. He says that birds build nests and live there and rear their young babies. Mice also live in their holes. But the butterfly can fly anywhere and live anywhere. To the poet, it is a free creature that can fly through any wood or field and look for food anywhere it wants. It can flit from flower to flower in search of sweet nectar without the need to stay in one place. The garden one wide banquet spreads for thee, O daintiest reveler of the joyous earth. One drop of honey gives satiety, a second draught would drag thee past all mirth. Thy feast no orgy shows, thy calm eyes never close, thou soberest sprite to which the sun gives birth. Here banquet means a formal dinner for a large number of people. Person like reveler. Reveler means a person who is having fun in a noisy and lively manner. Orgy means party. Soberest means not drunk or not affected by alcohol. So the poet describes in this stanza that how the garden lays forth a sumptuous banquet for the butterfly with all the sweet smelling flowers that live there. He says that the tiny butterfly needs only a drop of honey or nectar. Anything more will be like dragging it. The butterfly does not need a large amount of food to satiate itself. Then he says that the butterfly never closes its eyes and is always sober because it eats only a little. And yet the soul of man upon thy wings forever soars in aspiration, though his emblem of the new career that springs when death's arrest beats all his spirit bow, he seeks his hope in thee of immortality, symbol of life, me with such faith endow. So emblem means symbol that represents something. Aspiration means desire. Immortality means deserving to be remembered forever. And endow means have as a natural quality or ability. So the poet concludes the poem by reflecting on how man is inspired to fly with independence and freedom when he looks at the butterfly. He says that when death finds man, his spirit will soar into the sky much like the butterfly. He calls the butterfly immortal because it becomes a symbol of life and freedom to him, always fluttering everywhere around us. He hopes man's soul and spirit will also be immortal and be finally free from the confines and shackles of life. So I hope you all have understood the poem. Thank you everyone.